Hello, and thank you for stopping by Tasha's Merch Review. This channel is where you will find a review of all things merchandise, whether it is clothing brands, product, tech, and food. Today I will be reviewing the Mod Retractable Safety Leash. But before I get into this review, please do me a big favor, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell to be notified so that you will know each and every time a new merch video drops. Let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the Mod Retractable Safety Leash, the Defender version of it with a flashlight and safety strobe. And there's actually 4 modes to the safety strobe. And MOD actually stands for Modern Objects for Dogs. Now, my mom actually picked up 2 of these for me, and she got it at our local at-home store, and they were in the clearance section, and they were, I think, $5.99. So that was a good deal. So she ended up buying 2. And let's go ahead and look at the box and get some more information about the Mod Retractable Safety Leash. If you have not seen my previous video of the Petsafe HappyRide booster seat, I will put the link in the description below. Also, I have a 1-year-old Morkie named Tip, and he makes his debut in that video. So taking a look at the front of the box, it has the Mod logo with the name of the retractable leash. Also, there's a picture of the leash, and I got the green and gray colored leash. So let's go ahead and open. There's a magnetic flap here. So there's a sneak peek of the leash. It has high intensity LED flashlight, 4 mode safety LED ring, retractable cord with reflective strip, and rubberized comfort handle. Looking over to the left hand side, you get a picture of a beautiful black dog with the dog's owner holding the leash. And also, this packaging is nice, very well made, and for the price that my mother paid for it, this is a steal. So like I said, there's a magnetic strip in there, as you can see. So when you open and close the front, it holds together. Now taking a look at the sides, there's nothing but just the name, the logo. And taking a look at the back, it has the logo, retractable safety leash with flashlight safety strobe, and then information about the safety leash. It retracts to 13 feet. It holds up to 350 pounds, and it requires 2 AAA batteries. Now, please don't mind the packaging. Like I said, it was in the clearance section at the at-home store. So, I mean, you get what you get. So let's go ahead and open up the packaging. Before I do that, let me go ahead and turn to the other side. And it just gives you the same information as the inside and the back of the box. So inside the box, you got the instruction manual. You really don't need this because the leash is very easy to use. And here go the leash itself. And the rubberized handle, the logo in the center, the retractable leash, and the flashlight. And you have the button for the flashlight, and that's where the 2 AAA batteries would go. And this is to, once you retract the leash, you would press this down to stop it. As you can see, going down has the reflective cord. So when this flashlight lights, it bounces off of this, and you can see it from a distance. Like I said before, I do have 2 of these, but there are 2 different brands, but they are made very similar. So this is the second one I got, and as you can see, they're made the same. Rubberized handle, strobe light, takes 2 AAA batteries, is made exactly the same. And I've been using this one for about 3 months now, and I love it. I have dropped it, hasn't broke on me, and it's really sturdy. So this is a really good product. And also this one, like I said, it's made the same, so it's sturdy and everything. And items like these, where it has the flashlight built in, are kind of expensive depending on where you go. So I was just lucky that my mom found them on sale. So a big shout out to my mom for picking that up for tip. Also, this is really nice to have at night, especially if you're taking your dog out at night, to have that flashlight and strobe light going, you know, in case you're walking across the street, cars are coming, they can see you. You can see what the dog is looking at. Like my dog, he's 1, but he eats everything that he sees off the floor and off the ground. But having this has helped so I can see exactly if he's sniffing or is he picking up something off the ground. So let me go ahead and show you how the strobe light works, the 4 modes, and how bright the strobe light and the flashlight is on this mod retractable safety leash. Okay, so this is the front, and it's pretty bright. It's bright enough so people can see you when you're outside, or you can see where your dog then pooped so you can pick it up. Then the strobe light, you can see how bright this is. Okay, well, you guys, it looks like the front flashlight works and the side with the pulsating strobe works. Now, I don't see 4 strobe modes working on this one, but that's okay because some of them works, and for the price we got it for, I'm not complaining. It was on clearance and it may have a defect, I don't know, but at least the front works, and you get 2 out of the 4 strobe motions. So yeah, I think this is a great product to have. Very well made, very sturdy. They took time with the presentation as far as packaging. For the price I paid for, I think this would be great for any pet owner to have. And I'm still using my other one, and I'm gonna use it until I can't use it no more, and then I'll switch over to this one. Like I said, I had the other one for 3 months now, and it's still kicking, so I will have these for a while, hopefully before they eventually stop working on me. So yeah, this has been the Mod Retractable Safety Leash, and thank you for stopping by, and I see you on the next merch review.